What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay, back with another video. I'm gonna show y'all boys how to stop earphone bleed. If you don't know what earphone bleed is, I promise you, you don't want earphone bleed. Earphone bleed is basically where you can hear like the beat in like on your raw vox. You can hear the beat in the background and everything that's going on, and then sometimes it do this weird ass screeching sound. Let me demonstrate. Fuck. You don't want that. I promise you, you don't want that. You don't want earphone bleed. So I'm gonna show y'all how to not have earphone bleed. Step one, what you want to do is, bro, if you got good quality headphones or earphones, like if you got good quality headphones or earphones, you do not have to record with your interface at full volume. I promise you, having that shit like centered in the middle is good enough. I promise you, you're not gonna die. It's centered or a little bit more to the left is still too loud, because some headphones are still louder than others. So yeah. And then also, bro, don't record with your microphone too high either. What's the point of like, let your compressor and other things turn your vocals up. You don't have to record so high. I promise you, this is like the perfect level of waveform to record it. And on my Focusrite is centered and turned to the right just by like 1 to 2 inches. 1 or 2 inches turned to the right, and that's good enough to record, and you have perfect waveforms like this, bro. You don't want your waveforms to look like this. That's not good. And you also for sure don't want them to be peaked out like this. You don't want it to peak. You want it to have it in between like this. Like this is I promise you, bro, you don't have to record low volumes. You don't have to record high volumes. Only thing you gotta do is learn how to use this thing right here. Once you learn how to use this, it opens up a whole different gateway to how loud your vocals is, bro. And I'm gonna make a video on how to use a compressor. I really can't go in depth about it because I know how to use a compressor, and I know what to tweak in the compressor and what to do and blah blah blah, but going in depth about it is probably gonna take me like another 2 to 3 months. But I'm still gonna make a tutorial about it just for the beginners, because I'm a beginner myself. So yeah, and that's all this is all that I really could teach y'all in the video. Make sure that if you record with your preset on, right? You record like this with your preset on. You can turn this down and it don't mess with how loud your actual mic is. You see what I'm saying? It don't tweak how loud your actual mic is, but it also stops bleeding. Or you can just record without that on and still get the thing where it's automatically on the preset, but you're not gonna hear yourself. You're not gonna have no monitoring, right? And some people like to record monitoring, and I understand. But if you record like this, you can't have your volume maxed out to where you hear everything. What you don't want to hear everything we're recording. You just need to hear what you hear and turn you just turn it back up. Go back into the mixing stage. When you go back into the mixing stage, that's when you can go back and turn your shit up. And oh, I need to EQ this. My vocals not hitting right here. That's when you go back and do that stuff in the mixing stage. When you're recording, you want to make sure that your vox is straight and you can hear the instrumental, you can hear the 808s, you can hear the things that matter in the beat. You don't want to hear like I don't want to hear a song and then I can hear the hi-hats in your vocals too, because you can actually, like, if you got trained ears, you can hear when somebody had microphone bleed in their songs, and it's not good. You don't want that, especially in the music industry. You want to make sure that like everything is in pristine quality, like pristine shape, pristine quality. I promise you. And this compressor video probably gonna come out right after this one. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. I'll see y'all boys in the next one. Peace out.